Hey guys, welcome to Smartphonefan. Here, very special and very interesting co-branded smartphone for you. Okay, finally we have the smartphone here. Whoa, back cover is really attractive, and if you are DragonBall fans, you will totally like it. A lot of element of this cartoon movie, DragonBall. The text and the Realme logo here, and the color is the main color of the movie. Here, this time, this edition is, I think it's 12 plus 256 GB spec, and the USD Snapdragon 870, 6.62 inch display, 5000 big battery. Yeah, actually like the design like here. Also the camera, this triple camera design. The main camera is 64 megapixel, dual LED flash. Yeah, it's very cool, and if you are DragonBall fans, it deserves you to have a look at it, check it, have a look at it, checking it, maybe buy it. For me, I like it. Okay, so this is a very quick unboxing and review video of the Realme DragonBall special edition smartphone. Thanks for watching. Let's waiting for more cool and interesting gadgets. Bye bye.